Maxwell Opala keep making it to look like all is well by telling people that, oh, Nnamdi Kanu have no cakes to answer. But it's a lie. Nnamdi Kanu is currently facing 7-count charge brought against him by the federal government of Nigeria. And I'm going to read out all these count charge for you. If there is anyone you feel that is not true, feel free to oppose me. Feel free to write and tell people that I'm lying. Alright, so good afternoon. My name is Ikenga Uruegu and I'm here to correct something. I'm here to talk to Barrister Maxwell Opala and also correct something I think is very important. You know, it saddens my heart to see people like this that are supposed to know better deceiving their gullible followers and some of our brothers who don't know anything. I listened to Barrister Maxwell Opala's interview where he boldly told people that Nnamdi Kanu is inside DSS custody because he's Igbo man. You can't say that. It's not because he's an Igbo man that put him there. Nnamdi Kanu is currently in DSS custody because of what he committed. And Maxwell also said to the interviewer that Nnamdi Kanu have no case to answer. And that is your lie. That is lie from pit of hell. You see, misinformation is very dangerous. And the half information is very, very dangerous. And the destructive propaganda is what that kept our place the way it is today. Maxwell Opala is from Imo State. And the followers of Nnamdi Kanu almost exterminate Imo State. In fact, Imo State is at the verge of exterminating. But Maxwell Opala keep making it to look like all is well by telling people that, oh, Nnamdi Kanu have no cakes to answer. But it's a lie. Nnamdi Kanu is currently facing 7-count charge brought against him by the federal government of Nigeria. And I'm going to read out all these count charge for you. If there is anyone you feel that is not true, feel free to oppose me. Feel free to write and tell people that I'm lying. Everything the federal government said under this count charge, Nnamdi Kanu actually committed it. And I want you to hear the count charge. Count number 1, that you, Nnamdi Kanu, male adult of Afalupi Beg, Umuahia, North Local Government Area of Abia State, in 2021, being a member and a leader of Indigenous People of Biafra, IPOB, a proscribed organization, did commit an act in furtherance of these, an act of terrorism against the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the people of Nigeria by making a broadcast received and heard in Nigeria within the jurisdiction of this honorable court, with intent to intimidate the population, and you threaten that people will die, the whole world will stand still, and you hereby commit an offense punishable under Section 1(2)(b) of the Terrorism Prevention Amendment Act 2013. Count number 2, that you, Nnamdi Kanu, a male adult of Afalupi Beko, Umuahia North Local Government Area of Abia State, sometime in 2021, did commit an act of furtherance of an act of terrorism against the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the people of Nigeria, made a broadcast received and heard in Nigeria within the jurisdiction of these honorable courts, with intent to intimidate the population. You issued a deadly threat that anyone who floated your sit-at-home order should write his or her will. As a result of that, banks, schools, markets, shopping mall, fuel station domiciled in eastern part of Nigeria were not open for business. Citizens' vehicle movements in the eastern states of Nigeria were granted within the jurisdiction of these honorable courts, and you hereby committed an offense punishable under Section 2(b) of the Prevention Amendment Act 2013, count number 3. That you, Nnamdi Kanu, a male adult of Afaluku Beku, Umuahia North Local Government Area of Abia State, on device dated between 2018 and 2021, within the jurisdiction of this honorable court, professed yourself to be a member and the leader of Indigenous People of Biafra, IPOB, a proscribed organization in Nigeria, that you hereby committed an offense contrary to the punishment under Section 16 of the Terrorism Prevention Amendment Act 2013. Then count number 4. That you, Nnamdi Kanu, a male adult of Afaluku Ibehu, Umuahia North Local Government Area of Abia State, on device dated between 2018 and 2021, made a broadcast received and heard in Nigeria within the jurisdiction of these honorable courts in furtherance of an act of terrorism against the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the people of Nigeria, in which you incited members of the public in Nigeria to hunt and kill Nigerian security personnel, and that you hereby committed an offense punishable under Section 12H of this Terrorism Prevention Amendment Act, count number 5. That you, Nnamdi Kanu, a male adult of Afaluku Ibeku, Umuahia North Local Government Area of Abia State, on device dated between 2018 and 2021, made a broadcast received and heard in Nigeria within the jurisdiction of this honorable court in furtherance of an act to terrorism against the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the people of Nigeria, in which you incited a member of the public in Nigeria to hunt and kill the family of Nigerian security personnel, and that you hereby committed an offense punishable under Section 12H of the Terrorism Prevention Amendment Act 2013. Count number 6. That you, Nnamdi Kanu, a male adult of Afaluku Ibeku, Umuahia North Local Government Area of Abia State, on device dated between 2018 and 2021, made a broadcast received and heard in Nigeria within the jurisdiction of this honorable court in furtherance of an act of terrorism against the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the people of Nigeria, in which you directed a member of the Indigenous People of Biafra, IPOB, a proscribed organization, to manufacture bomb, and you hereby commit an offense under Section 2F of this Terrorism Prevention Amendment Act 2013. Count number 7, the final count, please. That you, Nnamdi Kanu, a male adult of Afaluku Ibeku, Umuahia North Local Government Area of Abia State, on device dated between the month of March and the April 2015, imported into Nigeria and kept in Ubolisuzo in Iyala Local Government Area of Anambra State within the jurisdiction of these honorable courts, a radio transmitter known as Stream 50L, concealed in a container of used household item, which you declare as used household item, and you hereby committed an offense contrary to Section 47(2)A of Criminal Conduct Act CAP C45, Law of Federation of Nigeria 2004. So that is the 7-count charge Nnamdi Kanu is currently facing. And now Nnamdi Kanu be the defendant. The question is, why will a learned person go out there deceiving the public that Nnamdi Kanu have no case to answer? You know you are lying and you know you are deceiving people. And because of these destructive lies, a lot of people are motivated that Nnamdi Kanu have no case to answer, that Nigeria is just illegally holding Nnamdi Kanu. But that's a lie. You're supposed to know better. And because of this deceit, a lot of people are still going into this Biafra struggle of thing, and they look at how our place is today. Maxwell, my question to you, Bo, is, are you more interested in stomach infrastructure or how to put your place in order? That's my question. Why will you be doing that? But you keep on lying to gullible people. When will you people reason like a human being? Are you not a human? Don't you have family? Don't you have friends? Your friends are not Wagoku. Get you know that, man. Eji Chineke bi n'eluigwe anyị unu. Unu deceive na people. Gwanụ people the truth. Gwanụ people na enwere anything like any Biafra na-abịa anywhere. Or not possible. But unu achọghị ikuzili ha the real meaning of self-determination. You keep making Nnamdi Kanu to look like a demagogue. And you people know you are just deceiving people. Nnamdi Kanu put for any restoration of Biafra. If Nnamdi Kanu put up a ego, and then Nnamdi Kanu agbalo ego, why can't you people stop deceiving people?